Hello, I'm Miss Castano, 8th grade math teacher here at Eisenhower Middle School. Just wanted to say hello and say hi to everyone. And we're looking forward to a very exciting year in 8th grade math at Eisenhower. If you know me already, you know that I was in 6th grade science last year, so I came back to 8th grade math after many, many years of having taught math here. So I want to just give you a quick overview on my Google Classroom. So whichever class period you're in, when you get in here, it's helpful to check out the stream. Some of the things that are in here are good for you to look at, especially on this one. We upgraded our Zoom today, or last week, excuse me, and everyone's going to have to upgrade it. If you haven't done so already, please look at the stream or have your child look at the stream and update their Zoom account, upgrade their Zoom account. When you go to classwork, when you're going to see mine looks a little different than yours, but you're going to see all the topics right here on the left-hand side. Resources is the place where you're going to go to find the Zoom meetings. You're going to look for the remind code. Everyone should be in my remind right now. Hoping that you're already in there for first period, third period, fifth period, and seventh period. All the students that have on A day, this is your code. It's at 8 Math Ike. For all of the students in my second period, sixth period, and eighth period, your code is at 8 Math WS. And I suggest getting both links if you are in both classes. So back to my resources page. I also have in here the tutoring Zoom link, and in here the times are listed. And whenever I have work that's assigned every single day, you will find it under the date. So for instance, on Friday, week 3, August 31st through September 4th, your students will just click on here, follow the directions, turn it in when they're done, and I think it should be pretty simple. If you have any questions, parents, please see my teacher website and my parent office hours will be in there. Basically, it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday mornings from 7:45 to 8:15. Now, I will have students in my room, so if you need a different time for some one-on-one time, I'm happy to call you during my conference period and we can make that happen. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.